Here's a truck we've just finished. She's a big one. So we've got the stacked reel here with 60 metres of 1/4 inch red flex on here, 3/4 fill hose. So you've got plenty of water coming in to feed your tank. Then we've got a Racejet 5000, 21 litres, 22 litres a minute, all set in neatly. This guy's got his drawers kitted out underneath nicely, trundle trays, and she's just a really nice rig. So with our Racejets now, they all come standard with the heavy duty battery isolators, the e-stops, and large capacity water filters so you can see them properly. So I just thought I'd show you that. Really nice rig, nice set out, and it's probably one of the biggest trucks I've seen around for general plumbing.